How to view all the participants in Google Meet and mobile device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can view all the participants in Google Meet and your mobile device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, open up Google Meet in your device, then you have to join a meeting. So once you're on the meeting, tap on this three-dot icon from the menu bar at the bottom of this interface and then tap on Tools at the bottom left corner. Under Tools, now you can tap on the People option at the top, and on the People tab you will find all of the participants in this Google Meet. But if you want to view all of your participants during the Google Meet, then you have to go to the grid style view, but this may not be supported in your mobile device. So for that, it is better that you consider joining a meeting from your laptop or tablet, where you can enable the full tilted layout or tiled layout in order to view all of the participants during the meeting. So once you are on the meeting in your laptop or tablet, then tap on the three-dot icon. From there, head towards the change layout and then select the tiled layout. After that, during your meeting or once you're under the meeting, you can view all of your participants in this meeting interface. But in the mobile device, it may not be supported. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.